Hi kids! Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 creatures. The first one is a monkey. It is so cute. The second one is a bear. Third one is a dinosaur. The last one is also a dinosaur. This is theropods. Let's join them again. Green color, white color, light green color, bear, yellow color, light green color, wow! Green colored dinosaur,
Hiya.
brown color, wow, color crayons. Let's open it. So many colors. Black color, blue color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, dark brown color, light green color, brown color, red color, orange color, white color, yellow color. Now keep them aside.
No.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow!
The first one is a mirror. Peach color, green color. The second one is a hat. Pink color, yellow color, pink color. This is so cute. The third one is a ring. This is a diamond ring.
No.
This is a sky blue color ring. And the last one is a sunglass.
Wow!
Let's join them again. Mirror.
Hiya.
Hat. Diamond ring. Sunglass. Hi kids. Wow, so many vegetables. And also so colorful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 vegetables. Our first vegetable is pumpkin. Yellow color, green color. Our second vegetable is a red bell pepper. Red color, green color. Third vegetable is a carrot. Green color, orange color. Our fourth vegetable is also a carrot, but the color is different. Green color, red color. Our fifth vegetable is a radish. Green color, white color. Eggplant is our sixth vegetable. Purple color, green color. And our last vegetable is cucumber. Green color.
Wow! Wow!
Join them again. Pumpkin. Red bell pepper. Carrot. Plant. Radish. Carrot. And the last one is cucumber. Keep them aside. Hi kids.
Wow!
One, two, three, 4. 4 lollipops. so colorful lollipops. Let's separate their parts.
Wow!
Light blue color, pink color. Again light blue color. And the stick is pink color. This is also pink color.
No.
This is our second lollipop. Violet color, yellow color. Again violet color. Do you like to eat lollipop, kids? Third lollipop, light green color, yellow color. What flavor do you like most, kids? My favorite flavor is orange. Our last lollipop, fourth lollipop, light pink color, light green color, again light pink. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join their parts again. No.
Hiya! Wow!
Now keep it aside. Let's join the second one.
Hiya!
Our last lollipop. Do you enjoy it, kids?
No.